Spring cleaning is when you take everything out of the house, you clean all around. Then you sanitize and put the furniture back in the house now. So many details of how. Thankful for the empowerment of our strength and dedication. Now we pick up the rice. Very good. Spring cleaning is very nice. Breathe in and blink the eyes. You have to clean because these things affect us in our life. Spring cleaning can be very fun. First, you take everything out of the house and make sure that you account for everything. We can have fun sanitizing and spring cleaning. You gotta make sure everything is organized. Be thankful for how hard that we try. Have wise investments as the time goes by. Have solar for resourceful energy. Now is the best time to start investing. This is Jenny, the solar panel, but do not forget resourceful. Although this life seems a little course,ful, we'll overcome our battles with the 29 DC marine battery. We will connect the cords correctly. You never want grounding and positive to mix, because if you do, that will make a spark in this. You need a battery and an inverter to power things with solar. We gotta clean our shoes to be thankful to for what protects our feet during the day. Always have great empowerment in what we do, think, and say. Spring cleaning with incredible processings, great empowerment that we bring. We really love life when we sing. We love spring cleaning. We clean our boots to tell the heavens thank you, as we are thankful for humanity's development to make all of this. We have the USA clogs, so specially designed, such a miracle blessing of life. We sanitize to say thank you, because appreciation is action too. Do everything you can. Make sure to clean the window fan, as well as the air conditioning for spring cleaning. Shake out those bad things in life and do not allow the force of resistance to overtake your mind, even if it is difficult for you in life. We gotta sweep behind things to get behind these things in life. You got to fold, very good. Stay strong and stay bold, very good. Then we folded this piece, very good. Great empowerment we keep, very good. Make sure to do spring cleaning. Great empowerment that we are bringing. And the better our life will be when we start cleaning. Encouraging you all to spring clean today with the great empowerment in what we do, say, and think. You cannot have your life in a mess. You have to appreciate the process. Take over your life and start cleaning in your time.